Hello, my name is Roy Johnson, and today we're going to be going over a skill that I thought I had mastered. Something as mundane as tying my shoes. Uh, wasn't mastered by me until I was 25. Um, Most of the time when you get taught in school, you get taught a knot that, well, isn't really that sturdy. And if you want a sturdy knot, you end up doing a double knot, which you can't get out. So I'll be going over the first couple of knots that I had learned, and then I'll lead into the knots that are better. So, like, first, the initial tying of your shoes, you learn like a method where you use like a rabbit, and you go up through the hole, and this is just a singular knot. The problem with this knot is the fact that it loosens over time and it will become undone. Uh, it's not a very strong knot. It's simple. It's very quick, and that was the method I was taught in school. Another knot that everybody like learns is of course the double knot. So after you get done with tying your shoes in the normal fashion, you simply go back through and knot your knot on your knot, which creates a nice sturdy knot, but near impossible to get undone. You can't pull it through. It's very, very difficult to get undone, especially if it's tightened down over time. Uh, that knot to me is ineffective. So then I learned at the age of 25 from a chief warrant officer I was in the Coast Guard with, how to do a knot that is similar to a surgeon's knot, a knot used for giving stitches. And it's a modification on that. So typically when you're dealing with like a surgeon's knot, you're dealing with one line. But when you're doing your shoes, you're dealing with two lines. And so the methodology is very similar. The method of crossing over and then wrapping around and going up through as such would still stand. However, before you do that second wrap, you do one more loop. So you go up through the hole and you would run one more time through. And what this creates when you do this, I'll show you closer. What this creates is a little X here. And this X actually tightens on itself. So once this knot is made, it becomes sturdier the more it's stretched. The advantage is that you can pull the knot. So now we'll do a step-by-step instruction after I've shown you the benefit of the knot. So the first step is to do just a normal crossover and pull tight on your foot. And then make a loop. Once you make that loop, you wrap around and go up through the hole. And before completing the knot, you just pull all the way through and come back up through one more time. And as you do that, that X will create in the center and it will tighten down. And then your knot, as you can see, is extremely sturdy. Won't come undone over time because it tightens on itself and is easy to get out. That is much better than this particular knot here, which is the double knot, which doesn't come undone, but you have to pick at to get it undone. Well, thank you for tuning into my video, and I hope you all have a great day.